How to rebuild your life after failure. Listen to this if you're starting over. You don't need a second chance, you need a new version of you. Because the person who failed can't build the future you're dreaming about. Somewhere right now, someone is restarting their life from zero. Not because they want to, but because everything collapsed. Maybe it was a business. Maybe it was a relationship. Maybe it was your mental health. Or maybe it was you that broke. You've stood in front of the mirror, wondering, can I really come back from this? And the world stayed silent. But let me tell you something the world doesn't say enough. Failure isn't the end. It's a forced rebirth. Part 1. The truth about failure. Success doesn't come from the people who never failed. It comes from the people who refused to stop after they did. Steve Jobs was fired from the company he created. Oprah was told she wasn't fit for TV. Colonel Sanders was rejected 1,009 times before one person tried his chicken. Failure didn't break them. Failure built them, because they rebuilt themselves differently. Part 2. Why you must rebuild. Listen, you're not starting from scratch. You're starting from experience. Failure is not a label. It's a lesson, a redirection, a purification. Rock bottom is not a grave. It's a solid foundation for something new. Part 3. How to rebuild step by step. If you want to rebuild your life, start with these 3 steps. Step 1. Accept. Not I failed, but I learned. Ownership is the first power. Step 2. Redesign. This time, don't build from ego. Build from wisdom. Remove what broke you. Keep what grew you. Step 3. Reinvent. Become the version of yourself who wins, not the one who lost. You cannot enter a new future with an old identity. Listen to me. What happened to you is a chapter, not your whole story. This pain you feel, it's not here to destroy you. It's here to wake you up. The world may count you out, but God, life, destiny has not. So rise slowly if you must. But rise, because the comeback is always greater than the failure. And when they ask you how you survived it, just smile and say, I didn't rebuild my life. I rebuilt myself. Save this video. Watch it again when you feel like giving up. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.